So I'm going to show you how to reassemble the Ghost 2 after cleaning. All the parts can be removed from the mouthpiece for cleaning. So you got your silicone top, mouthpiece. I have the glass one, but obviously it comes with a stock ceramic. And then there's also a little silicone seal that goes inside the flip top here. So that's the first thing you want to put back together. After cleaning, you can soak all these parts in alcohol. Do not soak the unit in alcohol. Just clean all that with some cotton swabs, iso swabs, or anything like that, just around this area to get any sticky residue around. So the seal that goes inside the mouthpiece, the flip top here, you want to make sure you can see that the top side is a little wider on the lip here. So that should be facing upwards. So the wider side should be the top. So you want to put it into the unit this way. So the way I like to do it is just open it up and then you can slide it right in here. You'll see that it has little grooves in it. So if you just go around the edge with the grooves and just slowly push the grooves into place until they lock in there and they're fully seated inside the flip top. So once you get them fully pushed in there, it'll sit nice and flush. Perfect. So you can see now it's sitting nice and flush here. On the top, there should just be a little bit of silicone hanging off here. And then on the other side, you can see that it's fully seated inside those grooves. So then after that, you can put on your silicone mouthpiece, silicone top here. Make sure you push it all the way down and fully seated inside the grooves. You don't want to see any gaps around the edges here or anything like that. You just want to fully seat it down. And then same thing with your mouthpieces. Push it right on there until it's fully seated in those grooves. Perfect. And that is how you reassemble the Ghost after clean.